Where Reyt has written.
How are we doing?
Ready?
Yeah, starting off with a bit of He's got a brand new car. Looks like a Jaguar. It's got leather seats. It's got a CD player, 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 player. But I don't want to talk about it anymore. I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna save it, yeah. So don't you try and make it anymore, anymore. Woo! We'll start over again and grow ourselves new skin. Get a house in Devon. Drink cider from 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. But I don't want to talk about it anymore. I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna save it, yeah. So don't you try and make it anymore, anymore. I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna save it, yeah. So don't you try and make it anymore, anymore. He's got a brand new car. He's got a brand new car. He's got a brand new car. Looks like a Jaguar. Thank you. I wish I could fly into the sky so very high, just like a dragonfly. I fly above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to anywhere I please. Oh, I want to get away. I want to fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. I want to fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go and see the stars, the Milky Way, or even Mars, where it could just be ours. Let's take to the sun, let your spirit fly when we are one, just for a little fun. Oh yeah! I want to get away, I want to fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! I want to get away. I want to get away. I've got to get away. I've got to get away. Yeah! I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can you just give it up again for Albert over here? Absolutely smashing performance. Looked beautiful. Beautiful.
Very nice with the pizza. Helped it down.
You so think, baby, you love me. Now, baby, I'm sure. And I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. Now every time I go for the mailbox, I gotta hold myself down. Oh, right now, 'cause I just can't wait till you rock me. You're coming around. Come on, everyone. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! All right now, don't it feel good? You still think maybe you love me? Now, baby, I'm sure. And I don't wanna spend my whole life just waiting for you. No, I don't want you back for the weekend, not back for a day. Oh, no, no. I said, baby, I just want you back. Yeah, I want you to stay. All right now, well, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! Well, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! And don't it feel good? All right now, don't it feel good? Oh, yeah. Ooh, I feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. I feel alive, I feel the love, I feel the love that's really real. I'm on sunshine, baby. Ooh, I'm on sunshine, baby. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! Yeah, don't it feel good? Don't feel good. Hey. Thank you.
We've got two more and then we're done. Thank you for listening.
This one's by Rick Astley. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. I'll make you understand. I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you, yeah. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been leaking, but you're too shy to see it. Inside, we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it out. If you ask me how I'm feeling, don't tell me I'm too blind to see. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you, yeah. Give you up, give you up, never gonna give you up. Give you up. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to see it. Inside, we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it out. If you ask me how I'm feeling, gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you, yeah. Give you up, give you up. Never gonna give you up. Give you up.
Thank you. This is our last song. We've been Reyt as Rain. We're on Facebook and all the other online things.
All the other online things.
Looking forward to the rest of them, so we only seen half. I think pizza's pretty good if you want to order one.
Pizza's banging.
In fact, chips are very good and all, to be honest. So,
Right. I'm going to finish on this one. This is by Tina Turner. I call you when I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wild. Oh, you come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises in a world of dreams. Speak a language of love like you know what it means. No, it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong, baby. Come on, I'll sing a song. Simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone. Anyone I've ever met. Ooh, I'm stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you say. Oh, it tears me apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart, see a star every night and every day. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Just as alone as I'm here in your arms, I